Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone is ready, unlocked, updated, and signed into your Apple ID so settings save. Once done, tap the Settings app to begin. Scroll immediately to Notifications. This central hub controls alert behavior for all apps. You're doing this now so changes apply system-wide. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off if you want alerts to appear. From Notifications, select the first app you want to enable alerts for and keep this screen open to change its alert style. Now, select an app in Notifications to configure how alerts appear. Turn on Allow Notifications. This is the master switch. Next, choose where alerts show. Lock screen, Notification Center, or banners. Each option affects visibility differently. For banners, decide between temporary or persistent so messages hang until dismissed. Set sounds and badges so you get audible cues and home screen counts. Finally, adjust notification grouping to automatic or by app to reduce clutter, and finish by fine-tuning. Set a custom sound, enable repeat alerts for missed messages, or add the app to scheduled summary if you prefer batching. If the app supports critical alerts, enable them for urgent notifications. Once you've set preferences, test by sending a message or using the app's test notification. If alerts don't appear, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't blocking them, then restart your iPhone. That often resolves lingering notification issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.